Zayan, who are you?
I'm Jan.
You are Zayan or you are a lion? Okay, Zayan is lion. So today Zayan is telling you about letter L.
L.
This is letter
L.
This is letter L, and the sound of letter L is say loudly. This is also called uppercase letter and lowercase letter. So this is letter L, and the sound of letter L is L. What is this? L. L.
L.
L. L. So this is letter L and sound L, and there are some friends of letter
L.
L. Okay, Zayan, can you tell me?
Lemon, lion, leaf, lamp.
Good, Zayan. So we are going to revise one more time, Zayan. Okay, Zayan?
Okay.
Okay.
L.
And this is
L.
L. L is for lion. Lion. L is for lock. Lock. L is for lychee. Lychee. L is for lamp.
Lamp.
Good. Okay, then start.
It for lion. It for lion. It for lock. It for lock. It for lychee. It for lychee. It for lamp. It for lamp. It for lamp.
Okay, good, Zayan. You have done. Okay, Zayan, what are you wearing?
L-band.
This is L band. And what is this?
L.
What is this, Zayan?
Lemon.
This is lemon. This is
Ladybug.
This is ladybug, and this is ladder. Ladder. Ladybug. Lemon. This is letter L, lion craft done by Zayan.
I made that lion.
Zayan made this. It's nice.
Night.